So, hello everyone. You want to know how to download Delta Executor on your iPhone? Right, in this tutorial, you are gonna see how you can easily get it on your iPhone or Android devices. Let me show you the Delta Executor version I'm currently using on my iPhone device. So here it is, as you can see. Um, Sigma Spy Lunar keyboard, and that's the Delta Executor. Thanks for using Delta. And here you can search for the scripts and a lot of things, as you can see here. So let me show you. That's the menu feature of Delta Executor, like anti-scam, disable Roblox, verify teleports, auto execute. So let me get to the straight to the tutorial where you can download the Delta Executor easily on your iPhone. So first of all, you need to open up settings on your iPhone and go to the general settings, and in general settings you'll find a background app refresh here, right here. Okay, so click on it and make sure the background app refresh is turned on. Okay, like Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now go back to the battery, here, and it should not be in low power mode, so make sure you are turned it off. So let me go back, and now you need to open up your browser and go to this website, which is dexecutor.com. dexecutor.com is the website where you can download the Delta Executor here. So this is the interface of the website. Okay, here is the download button for iOS and Android as well. And here's the key features, as you can see. Script executor, fast injection, and secure, of course. So let me tap on iOS button, okay, since I'm using iPhone. So here is the device confirmation. So downloading is almost completed here. So progress has been reached 95% and now done. So I need to verify as an human, not a bot. So as you can see here, human behavior is not detected and the verification required. Let me tap on verify button so that I can finalize the downloading process. So this is the page where I can prove myself as a human, not a bot. And here you need to download two apps, install two apps on your iPhone, so that and participate, run it for 30 seconds and participate in offers as well. So let me tap on it, Underdog Fantasy. Now let me install it, and now going back to the page where I need to install another one, which is Winzo Plays. So let me tap on install. Okay, let me go back to the page so that I can see the instruction. So the Underdog Fantasy required download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. So this is very simple, guys. You need to install Underdog Fantasy and run it for 30 seconds. Stay on the app for 30 seconds only, and sign up process required, of course. And in Winzo Plays, you need to download and install this app, then deposit at least $2 to unlock this content. So $2 is not a very big deal, guys. So you just need to install this app and deposit $2 only, so that you can unlock the download. And once you do, Delta Executor will be completed. So thanks for watching, guys.